Wish you could enjoy a deep soaking bath but don't have a bathtub? Bathtub. Today I'm reviewing this extra large 56-inch portable foldable bathtub designed for full body soaking, ice baths, and ultimate relaxation, even in small spaces. Extra large 56-inch size. This tub is long and spacious enough for adults to stretch out comfortably, perfect for full body soaking or ice baths. Foldable and space-saving design. When you're done, it folds down quickly and stores away easily. Ideal for apartments, dorms, or small bathrooms. Ergonomic comfort design. The curved shape and supportive structure are ergonomically designed to help you relax without awkward positioning. Durable and leak-resistant materials. Made with sturdy, thick materials that hold heat well and stay stable while filled with water or ice. Quick and easy setup. No tools, no installation. Just unfold, fill, and enjoy a spa-like bath anytime you want. Perfect for small spaces. Enjoy soaking baths without a built-in tub. Multi-purpose use. Great for hot baths, ice baths, muscle recovery, and relaxation. Portable and convenient. Easy to fold, store, and move around. Requires floor space when in use. Needs enough room to fully unfold. Manual water filling and draining. Takes a bit more effort compared to fixed bathtubs. If you love soaking baths, ice baths, or need a practical solution for small living spaces, this 56-inch portable bathtub is a simple, affordable way to bring spa-level relaxation right into your home. Ready to upgrade your self-care routine? Backhand index pointing right, click the link in the description to check the latest price on Amazon. Don't forget to like, thumbs up, subscribe bell, and comment if you want more home and wellness product reviews.